Alright guys, what is up? 36 seconds till market open. Dang, my hair's chopped. Dude, what the frick? Anyways, so today we're looking for longs. We are making a crazy long wick, but we are looking for longs. I think we are. Well, we didn't end up getting a break of structure on the 1 hour, I don't think. I mean, unless we do. But 'cause we went down a fuck ton, jeez. We went down, whoa, I didn't even realize. Yeah, so not the best closure on the hourly, but we had CPI news today. And actually, I'll quickly pull it up for you guys, but we had CPI news year to year. So that was cool. And let's see the actual forecast. Like the forecast, and then we'll see the actual 3.8. So it was good for the currency. So yeah, that was cool. So we are looking for a trade today. It's pretty volatile. Yeah, market just opened. Now we might. So we're bullish because we did Asian session manipulation plus reversal. Should be a London continuation, but that's not looking like the case right now. It's looking like we just might rally. So if it's not that, and we are wrong, we still can catch this manipulation. Because either way, if we want to push down, London's going to have to manipulate. So yeah, we're targeting these highs for today. Yeah, that's what. So we're bullish today. That will change obviously if we end up going down, but we hit equilibrium on the 15-minute and 30-minute as well, which is nice. Actually very nice. We have left long wicks. But, you know, I've made mistakes before with wicks. Like, it is big, but, you know, that's not, like, the main thing. The hourly's made long wicks before and then just gone shoot up. So, it's not even that long of a wick. It's not even that bad. And it's not like we took out any really crazy bits of liquidity. Like, that's not really... It's liquidity, but it isn't. You know what I'm saying? It's liquidity. So, yeah, we took out some stuff on Asian, but that's not the more... thing. We took out New York session low on Asian, and then we plus reverse. Anyways, we do have a high time frame order block here. This is an hourly order block, so that's probably going to be my take profit, my last take profit. Right now, just filling in this gap right here, which is a little bit annoying, well, just right now. So let's hope we can just disrespect that and fill in this 15-minute gap in the rally. But, yeah, now we're just gonna wait for the reaction. It's looking like a nice day. This was CPI. I'll quickly mark it. I may as well, because why not, you know. That was CPI. So that was cool. I'm gonna look probably for a 1-minute entry, like a little bit on the 1 minute. Like a 1-minute continuation. Obviously, I have to wait for that. But if we pull out the fib here, I'm probably gonna wait for a disrespect on this gap, because I also think that's a 79% fib closure, so that would also be really nice, 79%. But that's also really high, so we might want to enter a little bit earlier, but it's still not that bad. But that's where the order block is, so we gotta be careful with that. Order blocks are crazy. So we'll probably try to get an entry on the 1 minute. I definitely want to see a 5-minute disrespect, at least on this gap. And I think I want to see it on that gap too, because I'm not trying to just sell the whole trade and then just lose. It's not that deep. It's only, it is 6 pip difference. So that's actually a pretty big difference. So we do want to watch out for that. But also we're bearish, so we might just end up retracing into this and then rallying down. So that's what we want to wait for. I think we also broke structure on the 15-minute, so that's not good. 30-minute, we're still bullish. Hourly, we're still bullish. For hourly, we're bearish, but it looks like we might come up. We might not. And we might just continue going down. This is a 4-hour gap we are filling as of right now. We filled it completely. So it might just go down, but we'll see. Hoping not, obviously. We're looking for longs today. Nothing else too much. There's no order blocks. I mean, we reacted off of a 15-minute, 30-minute one as well. right here. We pushed above it, then went back in, and then so that was cool. Other than that, yeah, we're just gonna wait to see or to look for an entry. Hopefully we can get the disrespect. Might just be the fill, and yeah, but it was CPI, so we do gotta obviously, you know, keep it chill. If price action wants to be shitty, it can, but it's looking really nice today. We love volatile price. New York manipulation, and then Asian reversal, technically. But that session doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah, Asian reverse, Asian manipulated as well, plus reversal. So yeah, so New York didn't really do shit. So we don't even care. We do not even care. Like, do your thing, man. Dang. Oh, I thought we're going up like crazy for a second, dude. Alright, guys, I think this is gonna be my entry point. 50 seconds to a 5-minute close. If we can get a break of structure here, a disrespect on this gap, that is literally all I need. Reaction from this 15-minute gap and equilibrium hit, that is gonna be perfect. Then we'll set our take profits, you know, to hit these. But yeah, we're moving right now, we're grooving. I'd say we manipulated, we ended up filling a gap and getting a reaction, which we ended up just manipulating and going up. It's like, we didn't get our proper form of manipulation, so. Nice. Negative slippage. Even better. Positive slippage. What the fuck? Dang, we're shooting for the stars, or? Oh no, it's not tight, I'm just dumb. Anyways, we're risking 2% today. Yeah, that's how much we're risking. That's how much I'm comfortable risking for today. Tighter stop loss. No, sorry. A little bit of a wider stop loss. Is this a 1-to-1? We're about to find out. This is not a 1-to-1, but I might have this as take profit 1. I'm not feeling too risky today. Or we'll just have take profit 1 here. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Whoopsies. I think I'm just gonna do that. That's a bit above there. You guys gotta hear me out with this one, because it's a 1-to-1. That's where I usually want my first take profit. Second take profit, we can move a bit to partials, and then now we're doing it a little bit into the order block, which I'm okay with. So yeah, bang, just took a trade. Alright, now we gotta wait, obviously, and yeah, let's hopefully, maybe this will be the day we break the streak, the losing streak. I think we're on a losing month. We've lost, so at the start of the month we're at $200 in profit. We've lost $140 this month, which is fine. You know, that's just a losing month. It's one single month, and we're on a losing week as well for the past 2 weeks. So, you know, not the best, but you got to come back from these things, and you know, you just got to be you. So yeah, but it's looking really nice. Now, I've been like testing on my account like how I want to do lot sizes and stuff. I think I need to it's not really even that, like, I'm just kind of just doing it, but I made an account and I want to start taking like stop losses and like my take profits maybe a bit more serious. That's perfect, you know, I like risking 2%. 2% is what I'm comfortable with. Yeah, so I usually risk 2% of my account every trade, and that's the best thing. I think that's like perfect. Gives me plenty of time, like if we go down and we want to, you know, fill in more gaps or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So 2% is enough pips for me to be comfortable with, right? And but I was experimenting, and this is a 50-to-1 leverage. So if we entered, see this, like this is different. So I think I just use 50-to-1 leverage anyways, because it's not changing anything of like the units. It only changes obviously when I do this, you know, it lets me play with more money. So I can now, with the money that I have, play with even more, 15,000. You know what I'm saying? So My trade value is 31,000. But yeah, this is 50 to 1 leverage. So as we can see here, look, this, so as you guys know, like this is my $20 stop loss right here. And yes, look at the take profit. It's nicer. It's $61. But my stop loss is 26. That's 3% of my account. Because we didn't even like, you know. So you know what I'm trying to say? That's why, you know, obviously I'm not gonna, I think I'm gonna use more leverage, because you don't really want to be using nearly all of your like your thingy like for margin. You usually want to be using around half, I'm pretty sure. Like definitely not nearly the whole account. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of saying, but I like the 2% risk, and I just want to take it a little bit more seriously. Like maybe, like this is one of the things I'm doing is my 1-to-1. That's always should be my first take profit, because then I can put break even, and it's, you know. And also I've been thinking like, how I want to do, like, if I want to do partial closures and stuff. So like partial close 50%, so that would be, let's do it right now, so that would be 5.5 for 15. What's half of 15,000? 7,500, right? That's 50%. So we partially closed that, right? And then we just made $5, right? And then we go up even more. So when we hit this, we'll partially close another 50%. So 7,500, what's 3,750? I think it's 3,750, right? Then I'll partially close from there, and that's what I think I'm going to do. So I might do a bit of practicing on this account for the time being. So hear me out. I might be doing that. I think it'll be able to set me out more, because, you know, just, you know, I want to learn it more, because I'm in the habit of what I'm doing right now, but then we eventually got to, you know, switch to more like if it was real money. Because again, we want to be the most profitable. The whole goal of this is trying to make money, so we want to make it the most probable of making money. Like we want to make it so we are, because this is it's educated gambling. You know, you gotta, you know, you gotta make it so it's so likely that you're gonna win. You know, like it's obviously like no thing is ever gonna, like, you know, we could still just full plummet. You know, it's the markets. We're just using things that will make our chance higher, like our probability higher of winning the trade, to predict, you know, price and where it's gonna go. And we get used to what price is doing and shit. And yeah, it runs its pans, like it kind of is, like that's how it is, you know. Alright, dickheads. Alright, so trade's taking a little while. We might just consolidate up and down, which is annoying, dude. I mean, if we do, that is crazy. I don't know what London session is doing. I'm not even gonna lie. As you can literally see my room, it is full fucking dark, dude. I'm just turning my LEDs on. But, yeah, it is full dark. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what to say, dude. I do not know what to say. Other than, are we serious, dude? Are we dead serious? Anyways, we might not. We're still in this gap, so we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see if we won. Hopefully we can break out of this losing streak, but we'll see. I'm cool if we just keep losing. I am cool with that, but you know, I'll see you boys later tomorrow, and we'll take another trade. And I'm gonna get a haircut soon, because fucking